Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to start using Mapsly with your Google Sheets as the data source. To start using Mapsly with your Google Sheets data, you will need to sign up for a new Mapsly account. You can find the sign up link in the description of this video. Important note, column A should contain unique non-empty values as they will be used by Mapsly as the ID field. Once you open the sign up page, simply follow the step-by-step wizard to create your new Mapsly account. Select your country, language, plan, and type your email and password. Then click Proceed. Optionally, select the features that you would be interested to use in Mapsly and click Proceed. The next step will be to connect your Google Sheets as your data source. To do that, simply open the main menu and go to Setup. Click the plus button next to Data Sources and select Google Sheets. Press the Select File button. You will be prompted to allow Mapsly access your Google Sheets data. Select the sheet that you would like to connect to Mapsly. Lastly, click the Connect to Source button. Now you need to select which objects to import to Mapsly. In our case, we will import the contacts object. Select the address column and the name column of your sheet and click Save. That's it, you've just imported your first sheet to Mapsly. Your data will soon show up on the map and you will be able to interact with it. Alright, well that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.